Well, it doesn't seem nobody needs me anymore. Doesn't seem LightningDude needs me right now. Doesn't look like nobody needs me. Even Cole or James or even Rio. Well, since Cole or James doesn't need me anymore, and since they don't need me, I guess I could just live in a light world. Oh well, goodbye everybody. Well, you know who I didn't saw in a long time? I didn't saw Dio in a long time. So, Dio, Dio, yo, he's not responding. I don't know where Dio is. Plus my evil dad isn't here, which is kind of weird. He must be busy with somewhat. So, yeah. Well, there's nothing that I could do. There's like no villains or no somewhat. So I guess I could just chill out. Since I don't need that evil potion no more. Oops. There you go. I guess I could just chill out. This day. Who am I? Where am I? What happened? Who am I? Where am I? LightningDude Dream World. Who is LightningDude? And what is this place? And what is that? Enough mind. I don't need to go to that place. Oh, I can fly? Oh. Some kind of animal. With other animal. Well, I don't know who I am. I don't know why I'm flying, but okay. That sort of look like me. You are LightningDude, and it seemed like you lost memories. Because of a certain villain. Here, let me give you your memories back. Whoa. Okay, never mind. Thank you, LightningDude. You're welcome. Okay. Well, I don't need to do anything. There is no villain. Well, there is a villain, but I don't know where he's at, or she. I don't even know. It seemed like a he, but okay. Okay. Well, I must go back to the light world for a little bit. Or not the light world, my home world for a little bit to go check on stuff. And whoa.